Hello and welcome, guys. My name is Rahul. I am a Shopify expert, and as you know, I'm also a Shopify app developer. So, today I have for you an app which I've created. The name of the app is PWC Trust Badges. So, if you click on PWC Trust Badges, you'll see the app, how it looks, and what it does. Basically, as the name suggests, it's gonna help you create the trust badges in your cart page, in your cart drawer, or in your product page, or any custom page if you want. And there are a lot of other stuff which we can do with this simple trust badges. That can be trust badges, or the payment icons, or whatever we want in terms of the badges. So let's see it in action. So this is an advanced version of the app, so you can see how it looks, in which you can simply embed the app, customize the theme, and it gives you an option to customize the app itself. And there are a lot of other stuff which you can do with the app itself. So let's check this in action. So we can edit the app, and or the badges which are being created. And there are a lot of stuff which we can do. So for example, we can play around with the icon size. We can play around with the overall icon sizes, and the text sizes. So the title size, the subheading size, anything, whatever we want, we can play around with them. And the alignment, we can just make it center or whatever we want. So it's up to us what we want. We can check the placement where we want. We can also have things like uh, you know specific countries or specific products if we want. And there are a lot of other stuff which we can do. So you see the icons. Uh, I have created an icon library from which you can choose, or you can even upload your custom icons. So just one second, it should be available over here. So yeah, we have the icon list over here. And yeah, you can just choose from the icon library. And once you choose it from the icon library, you'll be able to add it into the icons. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of stuff which you can do with this app. And apart from the icons, you can also upload the icons. And there is a very big library of icons which you can choose. And you have the setup guide available. And it's very simple app, simple to use. And let's see it in the front end. So let's see how it works. So we have this app, and then we can add it over here. So we remove the other ones. So yeah, we have this app and product badges, advanced badges. And yeah, we have this over here. And let's see. And then we can have product badges. Also I'm actually using two instances of the app itself. So I believe I need to stop one instance of the app. So yeah, I'll just do that, so that things are working smoothly. So yeah, so let's see, editor. Okay, so I'm just gonna edit the theme and see which app is there. So I just need to disable this. And once I disable this is the second instance of the app. So that's why there might be a conflict. But yeah, it should be working all good now. So let's check the app itself. And you see this is available over here. And if we check the cart drawer, it should be available in the cart drawer also. So you can just check. Yeah, we have things available in the cart drawer. if you want. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of stuff which we can do. So we when we create the app or the badge, we have the option for product page, cart page, or custom page. We have the option to select these pages. So it's up to us, and we have come up with some better plans which you can choose from the app itself. So yeah, you see this, we have the at cart drop, and let's see uh, it available over here. So I'll just check and show it to you. So yeah, we have it available over here. So we add it to the cart, and yeah, we have things available over here. So uh, if you want this app, you can check the link in the description below, and you can install it from over there. And in case you need any help, our chat support would be available for any kind of issues. So you can see the real instance of the app. This was the advanced version, but you'll have the chat conversation available for this particular app in case you need any help. Okay, so yeah, I'm just looking forward for any issues you have, or if you want the app, just mention that in my comments, and I'll just help you install the app. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Take care.